Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make funnel cake from scratch. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have our ingredients, let's create the perfect batter. First, in a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until smooth. The batter should be thick enough to drizzle, but not too thin. With our batter ready, it's time for the exciting part: frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a large, deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter through a funnel, moving in a circular motion to create that classic web-like design. Fry each funnel cake for about 1 minute per side until it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Use tongs to remove it and let excess oil drain. Your homemade funnel cake is almost complete. Once fried, place the warm funnel cake on a wire rack to cool just slightly. The classic way to enjoy it is with a generous dusting of powdered sugar. But don't stop there. Feel free to get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Serve immediately and savor your delicious, crispy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.